Hi, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove apps and silence notifications do not disturb on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X, from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the focus, choose the Do Not Disturb. Then in the Do Not Disturb, click Apps under the Notifications. Then in the Notifications, as you will see, Applications under the Silence Notifications. Then all you have to do is click the negative sign to remove these two applications in your Silence Notifications. Just click it to remove. And that's it. We have successfully removed apps in silence notifications do not disturb on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.